Diane Salazar gracefully marches down the aisle. Today, she graduates with flying colors. Out of 200 students at Miriam College's TESDA accredited technical vocational courses, she finishes the bread and pastry production class with honors. This despite being hearing impaired. According to Diane, her journey wasn't easy, but she fought through the challenges.
May kapansanan man ako dahil hindi ako nakakarinig, pero tiyak na hindi ako inutil dahil ang kapaligirang kinalakihan ko at kung saan ako ngayon ay nagbibigay daan para ako'y mamuhay ng normal. Kaysa ninyo, nakatayo ako sa entabladong ito na may buong pagmamalaki sa lahat ng ating narating at napagtagumpayan.
Diane is a working mother of 2 hearing children and a wife to a husband who also has a disability.
Masayang-masaya po ako at saka very proud po ako sa kanya.
Tuloy-tuloy lang yung dream niya, tsaka proud kami sa kanya.
Diane dreams of having her own cafe with her husband, who is a chef, and she wants to hire deaf employees. Her ultimate goal is to be an inspiration to persons with disabilities.
Encourage them to be themselves, to follow their heart, follow your heart, and to be mindful of what you want to do in order to be successful. And don't forget to ask guidance and to trust in the Lord's plans.
Camille Abadisho, CNN Philippines.